Now we will discuss that what is the Euclid's division lemma. Basically, the Euclid's division lemma is a bit of extended form of the division algorithm. So division algorithm is equals to dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So to make it more modified, what we will do, suppose we have two numbers, two positive integers a and b, where a is greater than b, then there must exist two separate numbers, they are q and r, such that this result r is definitely less than b but greater than or equal to 0. So we can write it like this, that a is equals to b into q plus r, where the result r is less than b and greater than or equal to 0. This equation, this result is known as Euclid's division lemma, where you must know a and b both are the positive integers, then there exist two separate numbers which are q and r, where the value of r has to be mandatory less than b but more than or equal to 0. Suppose for example, if we pick any example to find the HCF, suppose we want to find the HCF of 42 and 30. Suppose one number is 42, another number is 130. We want to find their HCF using the concept of division algorithm. So if we take the division algorithm, that is the long division method, same type of process we will pursue here. Here we will say a is equals to 130, we will say b is equals to 42, and we always express with the help of this equation. It is like this, here 130 is equals to 42 into some number, 42 into 3. Then what is the remainder is coming out to be? That remainder is coming out to be 4. 130 is equal to 42 into 3 plus 4. So we will say this is a, this is b, this is q, and this is r. So clearly the value of r is as per condition is more than 0 but less than b. Now we are proceeding the next division, that is the 42 is equals to. Now 42 become dividend. Now for 42, 4 will become divisor, and when this will be divided, this 10 will be the quotient, and obviously remainder has to be 2 with satisfaction of all the required conditions. Now we are coming for the next. We will take what? In our next go, we will take 4 as the dividend, 2 as the divisor. So quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 0. So the last divisor is known as the HCF. Hence the HCF of 130 and 42. The HCF of 130 and 42 become 2. Now a big question comes that if I ask you reverse of it, what is the reason that 2 is the HCF of 130 and 42? So again there is a big problem that yes, we can find the HCF, but reverse of it, if I ask you, that many times students are not in position to answer. It is so simple. Whatever is the HCF, by the HCF you divide both the number and you will find that the quotients are coming to be the prime number. If quotients are coming prime number, it means that that is the HCF. So in this question's case, 130 and 42 when divided by 2, we obtain the two numbers, they are 65 and 21, which are the relatively prime, hence proved that 2 is the HCF of given numbers. Now we will begin with few more fundamental theorem of this chapter.